Here's a 2018 Audi Q5. Its sharp design makes it instantly recognizable. Its elegance and capability make it unmistakably an Audi. 2018 marks the first year of a redesign with new styling and additional tech features. Features include intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and LED low and high beam headlights. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. It looks sharp, drives smoothly, and handles twists and turns with ease. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.